Best Small Sports Sedans for 2024-2023 Audi S8. In the fiercely competitive market of small sports sedans, the 2023 Audi S8 stands out as a paragon of performance, luxury, and cutting-edge technology. As part of Audi's illustrious S lineup, the S8 is designed to provide an exhilarating driving experience while maintaining the brand's hallmark of sophistication and comfort. At the heart of the 2023 Audi S8 is a formidable 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, producing a staggering 563 horsepower and 590 lb-ft of torque. This power is channeled through an 8-speed automatic transmission and Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive system, which ensures optimal traction and stability across various driving conditions. The S8 accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.8 seconds, showcasing its impressive capability and making it one of the quickest sedans in its class. The S8's prowess extends beyond its raw power. Audi's engineers have meticulously crafted the suspension, chassis, and steering to provide a balance between comfort and performance. The standard adaptive air suspension and dynamic all-wheel steering enhance handling precision and ride comfort, making the S8 equally adept at handling sharp corners and delivering a smooth ride on long journeys. The car's advanced aerodynamics and lightweight construction further contribute to its dynamic performance and fuel efficiency. Visually, the 2023 Audi S8 exudes an aura of sophisticated aggression. Its sleek and aerodynamic profile is accentuated by sharp lines, a distinctive single-frame grille, and matrix design LED headlights. The sporty character of the S8 is further emphasized by its 21-inch alloy wheels, quad exhaust outlets, and subtle S-specific design elements, which enhance its commanding presence on the road. Inside, the S8 offers a luxurious and technology-rich environment. High-quality materials such as Valcona leather upholstery, carbon fiber trim, and ambient lighting create a refined and comfortable atmosphere. The advanced MMI touch response system, featuring dual touchscreens, a digital instrument cluster, and a premium Bang & Olufsen sound system, provides seamless connectivity and entertainment. Performance-oriented features such as the sport seats and flat-bottom steering will further enhance the driver's connection to the car. Safety and driver assistance features are comprehensive in the 2023 Audi S8. The sedan comes equipped with a suite of advanced safety technologies, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a night vision assistant, ensuring both peace of mind and enhanced driving confidence. In conclusion, the 2023 Audi S8 sets a new standard for performance and luxury in the small sports sedan segment. With its powerful engine, agile handling, and upscale amenities, the S8 offers a driving experience that is both exhilarating and refined. Whether cruising on the highway or tackling winding roads, the S8 promises an unforgettable journey for drivers and passengers alike.